how to scan documents to PDF in Google Drive. So if you want to scan documents to PDF in Google Drive, then what you need to do is first open up your Google Drive application. Once you open up your Google Drive, now you just need to simply go with the bottom, which has that new option, and then tap on scan. You can simply go with crop and rotate, and then you can crop it the way you like. And once done, you can go with apply, which is on the bottom. And once you've applied, now you need to go with done, which is on the upper right. Once you tap on done, you'll get this kind of interface where you will have an option to choose the file type, which is I'm choosing PDF. And once you've chosen the format, you need to simply go with the name, and you can simply add a new name. Once you've given a new name, you can go with the location, which is my drive, and then go with account and go with save, which is on the upper right. Now the file has been uploaded. You can simply tap on the file, tap on locate file, and here you will have your file. So that's how you can scan documents to PDF in your Google Drive, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.